quick demonstration of the power of search engine optimization and the way that Amazon gives you a honeymoon period when you first list your products onto the platform. So here I am on amazon.co.uk. 400 million people visit this site per month, so 400 million visits per month. And searching for coffee cups, so a very, very broad term, not at all a long tail keyword, very broad. So let's have a look at the search engine results page. Here you can see sponsored listing at the top, of course, and this is from Hot Bargain, so this is brand advertising. Somebody's using this with brand registry, no worries at all. We get that, that's going to come first. What's next? Next we get 4 products, dun, 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 all with using Amazon PPC. So this one here, clearly bidding the most because they're in the top spot. Quite a weird thing, maybe good for Christmas present. And then this one, 18 reviews, very simple product. 34 reviews, 150 reviews, all sponsored, all paying to be there. So let's ditch them, move now on to what's not paying to be there. Here's what comes next. Amazon's Choice, pretty natural to get the Amazon's Choice in position number 2. Bestseller in position number 3. Notice that the bestseller's only got 18 reviews. That means it's being launched, and that's why it's got the bestseller badge. So as it's launching, making a lot of sales, that's why it's able to get the bestseller badge. No problems at all there. However, let's continue on. In position number 3 is this one here. 0 reviews. 0 reviews. So that is a brand spanking new product. And that is what happens when you list a new product onto Amazon. Amazon messes around with your product, putting it into different places, seeing how it sells. That's the Amazon SEO honeymoon at work right there.